So you want to know what Shopify dropshipping is? No! I can't believe I haven't made this video yet. But what is Shopify dropshipping? So basically, Shopify dropshipping is you're just a middleman. Plain and simple, let's get that out of the way, you're a middleman. So let me give you guys an example. Let's say I'm Walmart. I buy my stuff from China and I sell it in the US, but have a physical location that you can go to. Shopify dropshipping, so Shopify is just a website, is your website. So now it's digital. So people go to you digitally. So what you could do instead of Squarespace and what's that one? WordPress. WordPress is more like a blog. Squarespace is more like I haven't gone to it, so I can't say anything. But those are two examples. But Shopify, what separates it is that you can install apps, and then an example of an app is called Overload, and that app allows you to import products from AliExpress. But you're like, well, basically that's just a website that people could go to. You don't have to be a seller. It's not like Alibaba that's where Walmart gets their stuff. You know, they buy a physical weight, like tons, like 2,000 pounds of product, you know, and then they get it extremely cheap. But for AliExpress, you get it really cheap, but AliExpress is the middleman. And so there's two middlemen. So there's the vendor, the factory, and there's AliExpress, which they go to, which is the middleman. And then they go to you, and that's where you come in. That's where we come in. That's where us marketers come in. So what we do is we put up, say, hey, we have a niche. Our website deals with puppies, you know, strictly puppies, not dogs, not grown-up dogs, puppies, little baby puppies. All right, keeping them cute. What we do is we create a website and then we market, right? We go to AliExpress, to the factory vendor, and get it super cheap. It's not gonna be Alibaba cheap, but AliExpress cheap, which will be $1.50 for shipping included. So then we put it on our website, and then we reach out to people, let them say, hey, you could buy our product right here, you know, and you get your profit for marketing. That's what we come in. It's not like a scam or anything. It's just we market, and the profits are for us because we went out to you. You know what I'm saying? It's not like, hey, I'm cheating you out of your money. No, it's because we went to you and we distributed it to you. It's kind of like that. That's basically what it is, you know. To recap, Shopify is a website where you can add to cart. It has the add to cart button, and that's where you go to customize your website, download some apps, get some urgency going on and stuff like that. It's really simple, and it's not easy. I mean, okay, look, it can be easy if you have a background in some psychology and stuff like that, because then you know what people like, what people fall for, you know, what our subconscious instantly goes to, you know. Like I have these books here, like, you know, good example of a book right here. Great example of a book right here. This is just allows us to say, hey, just do it. You know, you're creative, just do it. And then got another book over here. Like I got books on books because, you know, you gotta do your research, you gotta learn and stuff like that. And you know, you gotta become good at what you want to be. So it takes time and it takes dedication, but that's what it is. You're just a middleman reaching out to people. And when you order the product, it goes directly to them, so it skips you. You have no physical product in hand. You're just marketing towards them. That's basically the plainest simple freaking plain cream cheese. That's
so good and tasty.
As simple as I could put it. That's what Shopify dropshipping is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a better understanding of it. If you guys have any questions, be sure to ask me down below, and I'll answer all of them. So yeah, just be sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, you know. See you guys tomorrow with a story, which I'm actually recording that right now, so I can upload it Friday because I've been saying that for the past 3 weeks, and it still hasn't happened, so I'm gonna record it now. Alright guys, do this. This is a quick shout out to Speedy.